Such an amazing view, man.
প্রাণ ধরিয়া আমার টান মনটা করে আনচান আমার প্রাণ ধরিয়া আমার টান
Hello everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Epic Travelog. So today we are heading towards Raichok. We started from our home in Kolkata 30 minutes back, so we have traveled half an hour and we have another 1 hour 30 minutes approximately to travel. Total journey is around 55 kilometers and it will take plus minus 2 hours, a little more than 2 hours. So far it's good. As you can see, it's a narrow road. It's kind of a single lane and divided by the line, dotted line for the ongoing and incoming traffic. Lot of totos, cycles, rickshaws, autos, bikes, two-wheelers in the road. As you can see, people are also walking on the road, so you really need to be very careful. So we have now reached Amtala and it's horrible traffic as usual. Amtala is known for its traffic. The problem is like it's a very narrow road, like two vehicles can hardly pass each other, but as you can see, like multiple lanes are being formed, cycles, rickshaws, cars, and even there are people who are walking on the roads, and everyone wants to go before others. So people say like it can take even 2 to 3 hours to cross this Amtala crossing, and if you are really lucky, maybe it will take 30 minutes for you. So it doesn't matter like at what time of the day you come to this junction, every time there will be traffic. It's really exhausting. It took 30 minutes for us to cross the Amtala traffic, and now we are somewhere at the village side. Oh, road condition is bad, a lot of bad patches in between. So we are still on the Diamond Harbour Road. As you can see, it's a single lane road for both sides of the traffic. The surrounding view is very good, all greenery on both sides of the road, so that is pretty good, but the road condition is very bad during this stretch. And the more problematic part is this slow traffic. See, look at this, oh man. So suddenly some vehicles like auto rickshaw or toto, they will stop without giving any indication, and you need to be very alert. Okay, there are some bumpers. Oh, cycles. Oh, look at this, so much load on the cycle. He has put another one. So here you can really don't rely on the people. You have to keep your own safety with you. People will suddenly stop. One cycle will suddenly come in the middle of the road. Oh, what he's trying to do? Oh man, see. Oh God. Oh man. It's really, people are amazing here. Like they don't even care. So there's just simply come towards you. There's anyone can come to your side of the road. So this is the Ganga River, the beautiful Ganga River. Yes, we made it. We finally reached Raichak after almost 2.5 hours of travel. Most of the road was okay. We didn't face any traffic except Amtala. We waited 30 minutes there. But anyways, we finally reached here after 2.5 hours. Tonight we will be staying at Hotel Fort Raichak, and tomorrow after having breakfast we'll be heading back to Kolkata. We are heading towards our room now. We have taken the Riverview room. The cost of this room is approximately 10,000 rupees per night, and 3 meals are included. So lunch, dinner, and the next day breakfast, everything is included in this price. This is the outside view of Hotel Fort Raichak, outside the riverside room. These are some of the inside views of the hotel. We just came outside, and these are some of the outside views from the hotel. This is just one side of the hotel. The other side would be the river side. Amazing view. We just now finished our lunch and now enjoying the view from our balcony. Lunch was pretty good. It was full 3-course meal. Lot of options was there. Veg, non-veg. Dessert was also pretty good. We are now enjoying the sunset. Really an amazing feeling. Next morning, after having breakfast, we are heading back to our home in Kolkata. So we have to drive around 2 hours now. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the journey with us, please do like and share.